name is Ciana Washington. I will be stationed at the Angleton, Texas location. So my experience being a registered dental hygienist, I started off as a traveling dental hygienist in the Washington, D.C. and Maryland area for about a year. And then I moved to Houston, Texas and was a temporary dental hygienist for a few months. And then I got onboarded here at the Community Health Network. I became a dental hygienist because when I was younger, I always loved going to the dentist. I started out, getting an expander, braces, all of that. So it really intrigued me, and I decided to become a dental hygienist and start my career in the dental field, and I haven't regretted it since. So it just comes from an area of passion, really. What I love most about my job is I'm able to interact with my patients and really get to know who they are as a person, so I can kind of help them with their oral hygiene, and just listening to them, understanding where they're coming from, and giving them oral hygiene instructions and education to a lot of the people I see.